Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobby. I'm back again with another awesome video. So guys, today we have with us the latest, the newest and the gorgeous, the Huawei Mate Xs2. Now, if you have a closer look at the box, it's gorgeous. It says it's got something very unique, something very gorgeous inside it. But we're going to open it, find out, and tell you every single thing about it and show you every bit of it. But once you're done pressing the subscribe button and the notification icon. So you know that Huawei did a launch of series of devices. This is the first one we're reviewing. We're going to be reviewing some more of those in the coming days. So watch this space, subscribe, notifications, so you get all the notifications and I keep working all the motivation to keep bringing these amazing videos to you. I want to take a little bit of help with this piece of paper so I don't mess up. My teleprompter has been acting up, but this isn't. So getting straight on to business, let's open this bad boy in the most luxurious format. Look at that. And we straight away see the device. Let's remove this wrapper. So we are able to see the device itself. Look at this beauty. Very gorgeous. We'll come back to this again. And inside this, we have one box here, which has the cover and a protector for the folding screen. We're going to put this on the side as well, along with this. And then we have another box right here. And then that's pretty much it. Now what's inside this box? We're going to open this and find out. As we slide this open, we have the power adapter and the charging cable right here. So we're going to put all this on the side, close this box, keep it on the side here. So we keep looking at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at the premium feel. Amazing. It's got what they call it as eye benders. Now this is not inward folding. This is backward folding. And this is called the Falcon Wing design. Beautiful. Beautiful looking. You got these microphones at the back. You got the stereo speakers on top of the bottom. And then you got on the side, you got the Type-C charging port. And then you got the SIM card tray. And that's pretty much it. And at the back, we got the camera. And this red button right here, as you press it, it flips open. Gorgeous. It comes in three amazing colors. The one we have is the black one. It also comes in white and purple. So looking at this gorgeous display, let me turn this on. I've already looked at that. Look at that. It's starting up. So while it starts up, let me tell you, this is 7.8 inches true chroma foldable OLED display. It's got 1 billion colors and 120 hertz of refresh rate, which is fantastic. 89.8% screen to body ratio, 2200 by 24800 pixel resolution and 424 ppi density when it's open up. And as it is now, we're gonna unlock this to show you the full potential of this. Look at that. But one thing you'll notice, the background looks amazing, the wallpaper, but when you fold it, the background shrinks itself in the motion. Now, if you see this here, and as I open it, the petals expand, and they've got so many such dynamic displays, which are going to make this fantastic. When it's folded, it's 6.5 inches, which is a proper full screen display that you need in your smartphone. They kept, even after the fold, it is very slim against many others, which are, if you look at pro models of some of the Android and even iOS devices, they are actually, a couple of them are actually thicker than this. So this is fantastic. They've kept it slim. They've kept it very usable, very friendly, not bulky at all. And it looks amazing. It's got P3 wide color gamut. It's got anti-glare and anti-reflection nano optical layer on top of it to make sure that you get the best of screen experience. And it's got animated themes, which we just saw. Beautiful looking thing. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, let me go into the settings and go about the phone so I can tell you a little bit more about it. It's got Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 4G chipset, which is fantastic, top of the line. Harmony OS 2 EMUI. It's got EMUI. Which version is that? Let's look at that in a closer look. It's got, well, we'll find out and tell you. But Harmony OS 2, built on Harmony OS 2, which is fantastic. And octa-core CPU, Adreno 660 on the GPU, and 256 with 8, 5112 with 8, and 5112 with 12 GB RAM. Three different expressions coming into this, three different variants. And I love the display. Snapdragon 888. And this, the one we have is 8 GB with 256, and the resolution is fantastic. Looks gorgeous. Looks gorgeous. Now, looking at when you fold it, the usability is fantastic. And the camera on the side gives it that unique design feature. Now, the main camera is a triple camera setup, which is a true chroma camera system, which has Huawei HD optics. So that means a lot of tech and a lot of thought has gone into it. Which got 50 megapixel wide angle camera with PDAF, laser AF, and so on, and 8 megapixel as telephoto, and 13 megapixel as ultra wide camera. Now the camera has been fantastic, as you can see on the screen. Some of the pictures that are taken with it. And when it comes to the selfie, it to bat 10.7 megapixels wide angle camera, and both these can shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second on 4K. But 4K on a selfie video is by any standards fantastic. That means all those bloggers are going to really enjoy this experience and still carry a premium luxury lifestyle in your hand. Now, to protect this from when you keep it down, though the design has been taken care of on the flat surface, but still to give it the extra protection, you have this beautiful case which you slide in from one side, the camera side, and bang. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, this has multiple purposes. It's not just a protection screen. You just flip on one side, press this open, and this becomes your kickstand as well. When you're watching some content, it is beautiful. And in case you want to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to it, you just keep it in front and you are good to go with that. That's fantastic. Now, this is a unique design of it. They have one more design, which is with a finger holder as well, which is optional to buy it from the website. But I love this one, the one they've given by default. It's fantastic looking, and it has a beautiful leather kind of feel to it. It doesn't have that artificial plasticky feel, and it looks gorgeous. Now, when you look at some of the key features, let me just read them through so that you know. It's got XD Fusion Pro True Chroma Image Engine to give you the best of optics and best of imaging. 10-channel multi-spectrum sensor, 2000 plus color adjustment before the image is processed and shown to you, and 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. So even the furthest away objects can be zoomed in closer with absolute pristine clarity. 120-degree wide angle. You can pretty much capture everything in the frame, and that is amazing as well. And of course, the macro shooting, which is the close shooting, comes to 2.5 centimeters. So as close as you can get. Beautiful looking device, great pictures, great videos, and powering it all up is a 4600 mAh battery with 66 watt supercharging. And it's also got reverse charging option as well. Now, I used it to charge, and it took about 38 minutes from 0 to 100. So, which is not too bad at all, which is fantastic. But even on day-to-day usage, this, when I used it for a whole day, I plugged it out in the morning, I left it for charging. Now, before I move on to what happened after that, but one of the advice which always pops up on this, which is absolutely very thoughtful, is that when you're actually charging it, keep the display as unfolded. It's because it's got, I think, dual batteries inside. So just to give it an even spread and not avoid heating up, because we are going to be in close contact with each other when it's folded, they're always advised. It is not dangerous, but it's always advised to keep it open. So that's a very good tip. I've been charging it with unfolded version. Now, talking about battery life, fantastic. I unplugged it at 100% in the morning, and on that evening, I had to go and see some friends as well. And by the time I got back home, it was little beyond midnight. So giving it a good 17 odd hours of usage, and I still had about 22% battery left. And I used it as my primary phone with both my SIMs, with all my WhatsApp and everything, working on this with my emails, with my, many phone calls, coming in during the day. This did last long and the experience was fantastic. And most importantly, it was definitely a head turner because a lot of my friends love this unit as well. And I'm sure you will as well. If you have any comments, leave it down below. And also, in case we know that some of us do have apprehensions about, that Harmony OS and Huawei not having GSM, Google Mobile Services. But don't worry about it. One, the HMD core and the Huawei app gallery is absolutely brilliant. It's got almost every app. If you can't find it on app gallery, Petal Search helps you find the APKs where you can install it, and transfer of data is swift and smooth. Now, if you watch my next video, which is going to come out in about 10 days time, you'll be able to see how I make some of the Google services work on this. And along with that, in the same video, I'll show you how to transfer your all your WhatsApp data into the Huawei smartphone. So do subscribe to our channel, click that subscribe button and the notification icon, and you will get to see that video and be able to enjoy this device at the fullest. Now, one is going to be where I'm going to tell you how to transfer the data on WhatsApp, but also show you how to work YouTube and other services work, and even WhatsApp backing up on Google to work on this device. I'll try to do it in one video. If I can't, then I'll separate them. One will be only for WhatsApp and one will be to make the Google services work, which will include WhatsApp backup on Google as well. So guys, this is your friend, the Great Lobby, signing off with this beautiful, gorgeous Huawei Mate Xs2. If you have any question, leave us a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like the phone. And if you have any questions, please do let us know. We'll be happy to have them answered. This is your friend, the Great Lobby, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.